Hello and welcome back to another edition of Teaching, Learning, Tutorials and Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do color balance. Okay, so here we have a cat here, a fat cat. So we go to image. Hold on, where's my layers? Here's my layers. Unlock layer. Image, adjustments, color balance right here. So now we can play around with the settings. Any reds here? Ooh. For warm colors go to red, for cold colors go to blue. Add a little bit of green. Ooh, that's one cat there. Shall we do another one? Okay. Hit W on the keyboard, click and hold. Quick selection. Select only the cat, the fat cat. The fat cat. Okay, here we are. Select inverse, backspace. Here's my fat cat there. Command D to remove that. Now let's hit Alt. That's 3 cats there. Right here. Right here. So this cat here, this fat cat here, let's go to color balance again. Let's make a red, pink. Really bring out the reds and the pinks. Okay. Last cat, fat cat, right here. Image. Go to, let's see, adjustments, color balance. Should we go for blues? Make it a bit darker. A very cold one. There it is. And hit OK. And there you have it. A quick color balance on Fat Cat using the Alt key to duplicate it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hey, if you're enjoying my videos, why not hit the notification bell, and then every time I upload a video, then you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.